welcome to What is Your Hobby? This is Athisa, and in this session, as a first miniature project, I'm going to show you how to make cute and very easy animals like this. And I've divided this course in 4 sessions, so be sure to check out all the videos. I'll put the link in the description. And without wasting our time, let's get started. Before we start, let me show you what color clay I'll be using. Take some yellow clay, some orange color clay, and a little amount of black as usual. Prepare your clay with clean hands. Roll the clay into a bowl of this size. Again, make 2 small yellow balls of this size for wings. And using your finger, gently flatten the bowl into a disc shape. Pinch the 2 sides into a triangle shape this way. It should look like a semicircle with triangle on top. Repeat the process. Now use the needle tool to add some texture for the wings. Just draw random lines on it this way. Slowly and carefully remove it and add the wings on both sides of the big yellow ball that we have kept it ready. Your creation should look like this after adding the wings. Now, use the needle tool and mark 2 dots for eyes. But this time, the gap between the eyes can be twice the gap of the piggy's eyes that we have made in previous video. Check the link in the description if you have missed the video. For finishing the eyes, take black clay and roll it into tiny black balls. I have the eyes ready here, so I'll go ahead and use them. Add the tiny black balls on the spot that you have marked earlier. Here's one tip: if your clay becomes dirty, dip cotton in rubbing alcohol to clean it. Add the eyes on the other side as well and keep it aside. For the beak and feet, roll orange clay, 2 of same size that will be used for feet, and 1 small size for beak, that is 1/4 size for each feet. Take the first 2 balls of same size and flatten it with your finger this way. Using the tool, mark outline on the feet. Press the clay against the tool gently this way, making a line. Add the feet just below the wings in this manner. Repeat the same on the other side as well. We're almost done here. Now let's add beak to finish the look. Take our previously rolled small orange clay into a bowl. Flatten it into a small disc shape this way. After that, use needle tool to fold the disc into half. After folding, the beak should look this way. After that, go ahead and add the beak between the eyes. Here our little duckling is ready. Do share your thoughts in comment section and don't forget to subscribe to What is Your Hobby channel for more. Click the link below for next episode of this video. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!